Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka DGP jong gajela ka kong ida shisha nongrang kala Kren Shai baka tanat pulit kanom island baka Hnlc kan pen ka Jingkhang bor ka jongka. Ka Director General of Police ka ida shisha nongrang kala ong baka tanat pulit jong gajela kan treistom ban khanglat kinu kijing thumu jong ka Nyotrap National Liberation Council ban pen ka jingdon ni ka jingla jongka. Ka Jingkhang jong ka DGP kawan habakali ka jing bom IED ka Hnlc hajan ka Megalia Rural Bank hayo umsning dangshen kalaban rap da ka baong baka Hnlc kan persyang ban pen ka jingdon ba ka jingla ka jongka Henry ka tanat kan treistom ban pet ba kitu ki jingla jongka kinumla ban penudlong kalaban rap da ka baong baka Jingkhang kadang Plie ban Ïakren yasuk da ka baong baling ba ka jingsuk kinla ban poi sya ka syongsuk syongsngan.
One last question. We have seen again activities of Hnlc as against come up. Are you concerned because we have seen again today there is a statement where he said that there cannot be peace talks unless we resolve the main issues like border and other things. How do you see this?
Where Hnlc is concerned, I think I would like to reserve my comments. They have their grounds, they have their reasons. And government has made it clear numerous times that the door is always open for negotiations. But Hnlc should also realize that unless there's a negotiated agreement in the system that we are in the country that we are in, it's not going to work. Violence it's not the answer.
What concerning of their activities, we have seen the police managed to prevent that bomb in Seng recently. How do you see this strong illegal activities of the?
Well, they obviously would be trying to make sure that their presence is known and that that they still have the capabilities. We are trying our best to ensure that those capabilities are not demonstrated.
Thank you for your time.